When was the last time a guy creamed in you?
Stop, dude. Kinda weird, bro. Yeah, I heard about Bernie. Man, that's sad. It's like sad, kind of surprising, kind of not. I don't know. Yeah.
Matthews donated $2. Hope you are having a good day. Hate to ask this because I really enjoy and want to support the stream, but do you mind refunding the $6 I sent over 3 donations 4 days ago? Restaurant closed and as a waiter I lost my income.
I can't tell if you're joking, because if you're being serious, why would you give me more money to ask you to give you your money back? Also, so difficult. Ah, close. That was close.
Cool, dude.
So close.
Match point.
Maybe I should just get a sheriff.
I'm gonna go ahead with a sniper.
Oh, I think this looks nice because it elongates my hair. Excuse me?
You.
I'll watch the flank. You guys go.
Smokes went out on site.
Oh, wow!
Coming around.
Watch the stream. And then if you win access, you will have a pop-up in your notifications tab. This is the notifications tab. Shit, I didn't buy. Oh, never mind. We're good. We're just loading in. Wait! Wait, something about this looks kind of weird. Are you okay?
Yeah, what's up?
I want to tell him he can throw his little bombs, but actually that could reveal his position, so maybe not ideal.
Hey GG Pokey, better luck next time.
Nice try, Greek.
You're right.
I was cornered.
All good. There were a lot of people up. If it was really close, I would have ulted. Hey, Mickey, you're so fun. So fun, you blow my mind.
Jamely donated $2.
I'm trying to reopen it, but thank you for the gifted subs.
Fucking bonkers.
I'm gonna ult and peek this corner.
Anyone have extra money? Anyone want to sim? Thank you.
Yeah, I know. Oh my God.
Last player standing.
Alright, there's one in the hollow.
Spike planted. One enemy remaining.
Oh!
Nice.
Woo!
Amazing.
A little bit of a hot attack, if I do say so myself. Did you see me crouch? I did it. I did it, Mom. Mom, grab the camera. Ooh, woo. ooh, woo.
My ultimate is ready.
Are you joking?
Spike planted.
I'm so mad.
One's back right corner, Sova.
That should have been a double, dude. Ooh, ee, ooh, bing, bang, wada, wada, bing, bang. Ooh, ee, ooh, bing, bang, wada, wada, bing, bang. One sec. I want to change. I want to make sure my
Let's let
hydration
go.
is half
Be
the
ready.
battle.
Call it, we win the game.
Hey, I got this crimson shot. Don't push.
Valorant Kyo
Hold
Vegas
over there, mate.
donated $2. My queen, this is my final warning. If Riot Games software does not give out Valorant key to me and my fellow simps, we will reenact Columbine in game, of course. PogChamp.
Excuse me. Chat, I'm gonna be right back and go to the bathroom, then hopefully we can join Myth and Mo on our journey to professional esports gaming.
Moopaling22 donated $2. Y'all been caught simping, bought Doritos chip.
I think I'm gonna play a couple of CS pugs, guys, and just hope that Valorant comes back up soon. And if it does, I'll just leave and play Valorant.
Best, these blonde-bang little chubby cheek punk kids don't have nothing on us!
Last player standing.
Nothing! Hey, meme? Hey, you want some memes? Hey. Memes? You want some memes?
What am I watching? Yes? Oh? Yeah!
So much. Alright, guys. Alright, we're going back in the sub mode, dude. I'm sorry, dude. I love you guys, but shit is so insane. Alright, woo!
Spike's on to your right. Oh! That was fucking gorgeous, Summit.
Yo, clip that and watch that in .25. He was freaking mid-dash, bro.
Oh, was he? I don't even know.
Yes. Dude, he was mid-dash, Summit.
I didn't even notice. That was good fun, I'll tell you.
I enjoyed watching that. It pleased me.
We can rush
Clip,
C.
please. I don't
wall
think that's
up.
clip-worthy, chat. It just seemed like a normal option.
Garage, right side of garage.
Okay.
It might push up close. Pushing close. I'm flash.
You're good. I have your cross. I have your cross.
Flash again.
Last player standing.
How am I getting full fucking blind? Okay, I'm not tilting. I'm not. Okay, I am. How am I getting full fucking blind from that flash that is going to Dennis on the left, right? He's flashing left around that box. I am a football field away, and I am full fucking blind.
Be one Phoenix. I'm coming for you.
I'm forcing this.
I'm not mad the rest of the day, bro. That was it, right there. Right? That was it.
What's up? Told me to.
One of my viewers,
no key.
he's been sending me a command on his own for the past like 1 hour. He said he got 64 keys. All I had to do in chat is type smork.
Did they give like one damn key for every 20k people? Omega lol 777.
I've honestly my whole chat has always just been people doing exclamation point time to show us as long as they've fucking been in the chat.
I saw dozens of people typing smart. Really hit him. I'm trying to learn how this trick something works right now. No! Hey guys, I can just jump here, okay? Easy, but I was trying to like this straight jump thing.
I don't want to cheat.
Yeah, you can't. Yeah. Are you guys using jet or what are you guys using? Don't cheat with jet.
Using silver right now.
How do I slide, man? How do I? It's okay. It's okay. Here, I'm just gonna speed on it.
I have to let my jump recharge, correct or not?
Wait. What? Why is my jump not going off?
Right. Okay. I fucked my ass.